took it out on a more of a country road, and the suspension, the brakes, the sort of contact between driver and car is really there. So that impressed me quite a lot. It feels like a fun and sporty car to drive, and the car put a smile on my face.
The SO5, I had the pleasure of driving it today. What an amazing car. I really enjoyed it. The technology, the quality inside, and that was really cool.
And then why the SO5 is mainly because, first of all, the tech, the small details with the tilting screen, or even the AR vision up ahead.
So I very much like the performance and the refinement and the exceptional build quality.
Creo que el hecho de tener baterías de última generación, desarrollos pensados tanto para poder salir del terreno, para usarlos en ciudad, a altas velocidades, en territorios urbanos.
今天向全球发布长安海纳百川计划。
We will drive a better future through technology and innovation.
海纳百川，深南人加速向世界奔跑。